Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to set a custom notification sound on the AGM H6. First open settings, just scroll down from the top twice, then press this little gear button. Now scroll down to the sound and vibration section, and here is default notification sound. Click on it. You can select from a variety of pre-installed sounds or to add your own custom one. Just scroll all the way down and press add notification. Then search for the file you want, for example this one, so that we recorded, and I'll just look for it in the menu. It's ordered alphabetically, it shouldn't take long to find. Press OK. Just like that, you have a custom notification sound. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.